Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to write if statements like a pro in Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand how to add dynamic categories to your data, but you'll also be able to make your reports a whole lot smarter and clearer for everyone who reads them. Let's dive right in. Whether you're brand new to DAX or just want to level up your logic game, this one's for you. To make this easy, I'm going to start with a simple example data table. Imagine you've got a list of products, things like laptops, smartphones, desk chairs, and coffee makers with their corresponding sales numbers. So something like laptop, 1200, smartphone, 800, desk chair, 150, and coffee maker at 90. Just picture these as the numbers you'd get at the end of a sales month. They're solid, relatable, and perfect for our walkthrough. Alright, let's get started on categorizing our sales data, because being able to instantly label a sale as high or low can help your team spot trends, celebrate wins, and highlight areas for improvement. To do this, we'll create our very first if statement in Power BI. Here's what you do. Go to the Modeling tab up at the top and choose New Column. Now the DAX formula for your if statement. I'll leave the exact formula down in the description just so it's easy for you to copy and paste, but let's talk through what's happening here. This formula checks, is the sales figure greater than 500? If it is, our label will say high. If not, it'll say low. This sort of binary labeling is great when you just want to quickly sort good performers from those that might need a little attention. Imagine this as a bouncer at a club. If the sales number's on the VIP list, it gets the high badge. If not, it's low. Simple, powerful, and clear. But what if you want a little more nuance? Maybe high and low aren't enough. You might want a medium or something in between to get a finer breakdown. No problem, Power BI handles this with ease by using a slightly more advanced if statement called a nested if. Again, head to the Modeling tab and click New Column. This next DAX formula, which I'll also share in the description, lets you build out one more category. For example, if sales is above 1,000, you get high. If sales is above 500 but not quite at 1,000, that medium, and everything under 500 is low. And just like that, you've turned your single club bouncer into a doorman with a velvet rope for each price bracket. Taking the time to set up these more detailed categories means your reports can help your colleagues focus attention in the right places. No more guesswork, and no one's left in the dark. Alright, the magic really happens when we visualize this data. Head over and create a table visual. All you need to do is pull in the product, sales, and both those new category columns, the two we just made. As soon as you drop them into the visual, you'll immediately see each product classified according to your rules. It's such a satisfying moment because suddenly your raw numbers tell a story at a glance. And there you go. Now you know how to make your Power BI dashboards way smarter and easier to understand, all by mastering if statements. Try tweaking the thresholds or adding even more categories as your business grows, and don't worry if your first formula gives you an error. Just double check that your table and column names match and take a deep breath. It happens to all of us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what else you'd like to learn next in the comments. Make sure you subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. Happy dashboarding, and I'll see you in the next video.